In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow camera and microphone access on Facebook Messenger on PC or laptop. First, head over to messenger.com and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Next, select the person you would like to do a voice or video call with. Then simply press on the video call or voice call icon. This window will then pop up where the voice or video call will take place. And here at the left corner of the window, you'll see a prompt asking you to allow microphone access. So simply click on allow while visiting the site. And also you will be prompted to also allow camera access and permissions. And the same with earlier, you're just gonna have to click on allow while visiting the site one more time. Once done, your call will then push through, and now you'll have an access with your camera and microphone. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!